All right, class. This is the MS Teams portion of the class, the online component of our class. So if you're taking any of our fall classes or any semester, this is the layout, and they're exactly the same for each class. To kind of, if you're taking multiple of my classes, then you can be familiar with them. So let's say you're taking basic animation for fall class. I'm going to expand this, and this is basically what you'll see on the channel. We'll have our general chat, which is basically any announcements and whatnot goes in here. We have a casual chat where we're just saying hi and whatnot. So this is very casual, as long as we do have rules regarding what goes in here. No hate chat, nothing like that. It's all going to be um, civil. All right. I mean, we'll explain that in class. And we have the help channel right here, which is uh, where you would post your questions, and then we'll have more info on this. Usually, you would attach your file in here and some screenshot and be very descriptive. Okay. Anyone can actually chime in. I will be here, the TAs, and some students that whoever sees it posted first, they'll try and help. Okay. Homeworks and project channel. As you can see, we already have our two homeworks up. Basically, introduction and a basic modeling in Blender, and you'll see them posted right here. Okay. Live meetings. This is where we kind of like our office hours. Okay, and we will have a uh, if it's an important lesson and we covered something, or we're answering a student question that is relevant to the class, it will be recorded. If not, it's not recorded. Okay, because the lessons are the only ones that are recorded. So live meetings, it's still to be announced on all this. So we will find a time where we could actually accommodate the most students regarding that. Okay, and we have an open lab channel right here where the TAs and I will be here. It's just kind of open lab. We're announcing those hours as well. Okay, and then the weekly video lessons. This is where all your weekly video lessons, and it'll be marked week 1, week 2, so on and so forth, all the way to week 14 or 15, which is the end of the semester. And this is where everything will be posted, and a lot of these things will be posted in advance because there's some that are pre-made and some that are going to be included in the or new for the semester. Okay, so if you're a registered student, then you will be part of the members here. So I will add you manually, and when you sign up for MS Teams using your .edu email from Northlake or Dallas College, then you will see your teams already set up right here, and then you'll have it right here. So if you have multiple classes that uses Microsoft Teams, then and then if you become a member of those, then you'll see them listed here as well. So you can see these are all my classes here. If I open another one, they're all kind of the same layout. Okay, so but the contents, of course, different. So this is for basic animation, and this is what you'll see right here. And you will also then, if you go to general right here, then you'll see assignments also. That would be kind of like the same thing as this channel that just kind of gets posted twice. Okay, so if you want to see it right there, and then with grades, you will see student's name and whatnot, because it's on teacher mode right here. But you will see your individual grades listed. Okay, if you have, we're not going to use the class notebooks there or anything because everything will be online videos. Files also will be linked to the homework so that you don't have, they'll be listed here once we upload them, but those are usually linked with the homework if there's some reference files that are needed. So let's say here in homework 2, we go to our student view here. All right, so there's the YouTube link. If there's a reference photo or anything that's needed to complete the project, it will be listed in here. Okay, the due date will be right there, and then where it closes, and this is when it's closed you can't submit anything anymore, so that's why you need your Google Drive account. If let's say you're trying to turn it in and then Microsoft Teams it's bogged down, then there's that option, which we'll discuss in class. The points for it will be here, and you'll have an option to turn it in and attach your file. Okay, the rubric for each homework or project will be inside the homework description. Okay, so it's right here, how to name it, what is accepted only, so on and so forth. So it's very specific, and then of course you lose points when you don't follow the protocol. All right, so that should cover our MS Teams once you're inside, and then I will send out a announcement with all these links right there. So how to sign into Microsoft Teams, download the latest version of Blender. Even though it's an older video, it's still the same. You just click the latest version, which is what will be shown, and how to get your DCCD email. Okay, so all these things, you will see it in there. All right, see you in class.